Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create this cute monogram using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I've cut down my sheet of black Readi-Board. I've also printed an image of my desired letter to use as a reference. I'm going to draw my letter on in pencil. Once I'm happy with my letter's shape, it's time to cut it out. Cut from the back if needed. I've chosen 3 colors of yarn, so I'm going to mark on my project the different sections that I would like to cover. Before I begin, I'm going to cover any edges that wouldn't have gotten covered by the yarn by wrapping it around. Pay attention to the sections to make sure that you're using the correct yarn. I'm going to do these curves as well. Tack down the end of your yarn and begin wrapping. For this top section, I found that gluing down each strand would give me the best result. But later on, I only needed to tack down every now and then. Now that it's time to move on to my next color, I've glued down the tail along the edge. This way, the yarn I wrap will cover it up. Areas like this that begin to curve will require you to glue down each strand. jump to the other side and wrap there before tackling my bottom curve. Working on this bottom curve, I'm going to have to overlap some of the yarn on the inside curve of the J. Use a generous amount of glue on the back of your letter to secure the end of your yarn. I'm going to braid 3 strands of yarn together to create my hanging point. Let that glue cool down completely before moving on. When shopping for my supplies, I found these flowers first, and then chose my yarn to match. I'm going to play with the placement until I'm happy. And glue them down. Once the glue has set, you're ready to display your monogram. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.